Hello guys, this is the continuation of the video I made the last time. In case you missed out on this, kindly watch it and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. So for today's tutorial is on how I drafted the back part of my dress. So first I folded my paper into two again, and this time around I marked about 2 inches for my zipper allowance. And remember the yoke I cut out from the front part of the bustier. I just placed it on my pattern paper this way to mark my neck width and my shoulder and also the shoulder slope, and I'll just be connecting with my ruler. So when I was done doing this, I just went ahead to mark the shoulder line. That's the guide. Okay, from that shoulder slope, I'll be coming down by 8.33 inches for my armhole. So after getting that, I'll just be marking my bust point, under bust, and my half length. So for my half length, I didn't use 17, just like I did for the front part, simply because we don't have bust at the back. So normally it should be shorter than the front. Okay, so instead of 17 inches for my half length, I decided to use 16.5 inches, but other measurements are the same. After getting this, I will just be adding my seam allowance of about half inch, even 1 inch is fine. Okay, or better still, you can do it on your fabric. So after marking the armhole, I'll just create my line like that, and I will um, draw another straight line perpendicular to that line to form my armhole line, and I will label it chest line. That is the horizontal line, is the chest line. So I'll come down by 1 inch on that guide shoulder line to get my neck depth. So after doing that, I just use my curve ruler to create my neck curve. It's now time to transfer my body measurement, and you get that by dividing your horizontal body measurements by 4, just the same way I did for the front. Okay, and after doing that, I will just get my nipple to nipple measurement and mark it from that line. That's the zipper allowance line, just as you can see on your screen right now. So I marked my nipple to nipple, and I will just be drawing a straight line just as you see me do. And on that half length line, I marked half an inch on both sides of that line to give me my dart. So because it's back, is the back, so there's really no much work. Then I'll just be adding my seam allowance of about 2 inches. So like I said before, for the previous video, you can use 2.5 inches. But for this lower part, because of the darts, I added back my dart before adding my seam allowance of about 1 inch. So it's now time to connect all the points. So this is very easy to achieve. And lest I forget, I got my armhole ruler or armhole curve or whatever name they call it to create my armhole curve. So you will notice that I didn't come in by half an inch on the mid part of the armhole. That was exactly what I was also trying to explain. So it's for the armhole for the back, you don't come in. Then it's also time to eliminate zip bulge. So I just came in by half an inch and I took it out just the way you can see, so more like you are drawing a parallel line. So this will help eliminate those bulginess around the waistline behind. If you don't do this, you may not really like the outcome of your dress. So that's it guys for the back part of this bustier. But when I started transferring, or when I transferred it onto my fabric, I cut the back. That's why you will see the lace at the upper part and fabric at the lower part. I actually wanted to cut it out like this on my fabric. I felt like it would be boring. So while I was cutting on my fabric, I decided to make it like a yoke, just the way I did for the front. After cutting, it should look like this, and this was really easy to achieve. compared to the front part of the bustier. So what do you think, guys, about this tutorial? One thing I have noticed about this bustier is the more you keep doing it, the faster and better you become. Just take a look at this. Within 5 minutes, we drafted the back part of this bustier. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Bye.